In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar to your Sony Bravia TV using Bluetooth. Now over here I have the Sony Bravia Google TV, but it doesn't matter the type or model of Sony Bravia TV you have. Whether you have the Sony Bravia Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV, by the end of this video you should be able to connect any soundbar to your Sony Bravia TV via Bluetooth and make the sound from your TV to start coming out from the soundbar. Now to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your soundbar is turned on and is currently on pairing mode. Also, if your soundbar actually has other modes like HDMI mode, optical cable mode, then make sure that it is actually set to Bluetooth mode. And once that is done, you want to head over to the settings of your Sony Bravia TV. Usually it is at the top right corner of the TV. You can as well just go ahead and press on the settings button on your Sony Bravia TV remote control, or just navigate to the settings icon at the top. Now go ahead and open up the settings, and from the settings you want to scroll down until you get to the remote and accessories option over here. Go ahead and make sure that the Bluetooth feature of your Sony Bravia TV is actually turned on. If it is turned off, and once it is turned on, you want to scroll down to the pair accessories option over here. Then go ahead and select that particular option, and automatically your Sony Bravia TV will start looking for available Bluetooth devices it can actually connect to. Now as long as your soundbar is actually on Bluetooth mode and is on pairing mode, your Sony Bravia TV should be able to find the name of your soundbar. So just go ahead and select the name of your soundbar. Mine is actually a Hisense soundbar, so I'll go ahead and select that particular option, and then you just want to go ahead and click on pair, and automatically my soundbar has now been connected to my Sony Bravia TV via Bluetooth. So I can now go ahead and start playing any video or any audio on my Sony Bravia TV, and the sound or audio will start coming out from my soundbar over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.